Are you looking for an outdoor mobility scooter that you can count on? Well, Mobility Direct may have something for you. Our Afikim scooters are the longest-lasting mobility scooters on the market today. Afikim has been making durable premium scooters since 1978, and they have won the Red Dot Award in 2011 for designing an easy-to-use scooter with a chassis that allows for a variety of customization options. Along with that, they've recently been featured on the Mobility Scooter channel. Each new Afikim scooter is going to come with a 3-year warranty that includes in-home service and parts. The larger S model has the industry's largest 1400-watt motor and can also handle 2 riders. The smaller C model has the second largest motor at 950 watts. And the SE model is just like Afikim's original design, dating back to 1978. As you can see from the video, these scooters are versatile in many different environments. The large motors and independent suspension make sure your ride is ultra smooth no matter what type of ground you're on. Now, if you're looking to purchase one of these scooters, make sure you call Mobility Direct, ranked the #1 dealer for Ather scooters in the USA. Ask him about the 3-year in-home service promotion or the exclusive lithium upgrades. Richard with Mobility Direct here. I hope you found this video informative. Give us a call if you have any questions.